Today we are going to talk about how to clean new locks and remove buildup. If you are doing it yourself at home, the best way to clean your hair will be under the shower. If you have a lot of buildup, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a clarifying shampoo and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. This can be altered depending on hair density. Apply the mixture with a brush. Put on a plastic cap. If a steamer is available, sit under it for 20 minutes. The steam will open the cuticle and allow moisture to penetrate the hair. Apple cider vinegar can function as a hair conditioner, and baking soda works as a natural shampoo. After the process, you will rinse your hair until the hair appears free of residue. When shampooing locks, start with a clarifying shampoo. We use liquid black soap. First, wet the hair with warm water and then apply shampoo. Squeeze the locks to bring dirt and residue to the surface. Repeat this step until you no longer see dirt. Rub locks together in a scrubbing motion to further cleanse hair. Then apply a lightweight conditioner to the hair. Rub the conditioner in until it is fully dissolved into the locks. Finally, rinse the hair and begin maintenance. Always use a lightweight product for maintenance to avoid buildup.